This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche with frozen pie crust. First, ensure your frozen pie crust is fully thawed. This prevents a soggy bottom. Next, pre-bake the crust for about 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for a crispier texture. Remember to prick the bottom of the crust several times with a fork before baking to avoid air bubbles. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now, let's create that delicious quiche filling. Whisk together 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of milk or cream. Whole milk or half and half works wonderfully. Then, fold in your desired cooked ingredients like spinach, ham, or cheddar cheese. Don't forget to season generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love. This is where you can truly personalize your quiche. With your filling ready, carefully pour it into the pre-baked frozen pie crust. Place the quiche on a baking sheet to catch any potential spills. Bake it in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are golden brown and the center is mostly set, with just a slight jiggle. Let it cool for 10 minutes before slicing. After baking, let your quiche cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to fully set, ensuring clean, beautiful slices. Quiche is fantastic served warm, but it's also delicious at room temperature, making it perfect for brunches or meal prep. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.